We can add up numbers perfectly without making mistakes using calculators. A disease that was once dangerous is now no longer a threat. Journalists with qualifications often have many different job opportunities. The best managers are always open to trying new things. These students learned a lot from teachers who knew a lot.